Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be doing a little service on a MAG-8100. I will be showing you how to change the drive belt on this unit. And do keep in mind, if you're happening to catch this video over one from the 8200, the process is the same in both the 81 and the 8200, or they are very, very similar. Now that we've got the 8100 turned around, we have access to the drive belt, which is behind this pulley cover. So we'll have to remove that first. Let's zoom in for a little closer look. While this process to remove or replace a belt is the same on an 8100 or 8200, they do use different length belts. So there is a drive belt specific to the 8100 and one to the 8200. So as we get started here, normally if you would have a belt that would be broken, we wouldn't have this step of taking a belt off. But let's say in this case there might be a part of the belt that is damaged and we need to remove this belt and put a brand new one on. Now here's one little trick. This screw right here will interfere slightly when you're trying to get the belt off if your grinding wheel is a full 7 inches, because you won't be able to lower the pulley down any lower to clear that screw. So we're going to remove that since we have a brand new grinding wheel on the sharpener. Now to take the belt off, you can simply walk it off the pulleys. You can see here I'm walking off this idler, which is spring-loaded. Now to reinstall the belt, what I find is easiest is first go around the drive pulley, because that one has the tightest clearance. You can raise up the idler pulley, and then you have a smooth section to the drive pulley on the motor, so you can help get over it with the idler. And now we're partially on. And here now we can walk the belt back to get the ribs back in all of the grooves of the pulley. And once you've checked that you've got all the ribs back into the grooves of all the pulleys, we are set. Now that we closed up the pulley cover, we've turned the machine back around so you have a view of it. Let's plug it in and test it. And we're back up and running, ready to sharpen blades. Thank you very much for watching, and check out all of our content at YouTube and Magna-Matic.com. And if you do have any other questions, certainly feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.